sana, asante sana. God bless you. Thank you so much. I will now invite Paul Waiganjo, and as Waiganjo will be doing his presentation, we will be preparing ourselves to give our offering, and I will ask the team in charge of that to be ready, so that when Waiganjo will be making his presentation, then we'll be doing our offering. Waiganjo.
Thank you. Praise the Lord. I want to sing a Kikuyu song, one of the favorite songs that Deputy President loves, called Wegai Mahida Mothe. In Kikuyu, in English, to say that you are God in all situations and in all seasons. Even in such a time that the family and the entire Nyeri is mourning, He still remains to be God. Mawiko makuengai nimange gagia mono njera shaku shaodingu nawe hoke kumuinge unje kago magegania nandonde agionake neruireria gogotokia ananera wengai mam hidamode one wonie joe weido aquamoro no erienzo dere hiriem na konenge rangorero tai gongona iheru nano eniem jetereirem atoro mekangai direndona.
For the first time,